Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer your fund, okay, your coin from Trust Wallet to either Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, so any of the exchanges at all. Okay, the process is the same thing, but in this case I'll be showing you how you can transfer from Trust Wallet to your Binance account. Okay, so as you can see here I have just about $5, okay, 93 cents here in my Litecoin account. So definitely I'll be transferring this Litecoin to my Binance account. Okay, so what you're going to be doing is this: for you to transcend this money from Trust Wallet to Binance, you need to click on come up here and you're going to click on send. Is it that you click on send here, okay, or you click on the coin itself, okay? But in this case I'm going to be clicking on the coin itself, okay? So after clicking on the coin itself, it's going to show you two options here, which is send and receive. Remember, we are sending, so we are going to be clicking on this send icon here. Okay, so after clicking on this send icon here, we are expected to put in our recipient address, okay, and the amount here. Now remember, the recipient address in this case is our wallet address from our Binance account. Okay, so let's go to my Binance account and get the wallet address from there. So here on my Binance account, you can see this is my Binance. This is my Binance account. So I'm going to go to Spot. Okay, you go to your wallet. Then on the Spot wallet, you're going to click on this deposit. Remember, you want to deposit from Trust Wallet to your Binance account. Now, in this case, it could be any of the coin, but I'm using Litecoin as a case study in this particular video. But it could be USDT, it could be BNB, it could be Cardano, it could be any of the coin. Okay, so we're going to click on deposit here now. Okay, then when you click on deposit, you're going to choose the coin that you want to deposit in here. Okay, so in my own case, remember I want to deposit Litecoin, so I'm going to click on Litecoin here. Okay, when I click on Litecoin, it's going to bring me to this interface. It's going to show you different network that you can choose from. You can see this one is BNB Smart Chain, this is Litecoin, and this is BNB Beacon Chain. Okay, but remember we are sending from US from Trust Wallet, and it's using Litecoin chain from there, so we're going to choose Litecoin here also. Okay, we're going to choose Litecoin here. Okay, so in this case here, we're just going to click on this. Is just an it's just please note that confidential deposit via WBB MWEB function is not supported and will result in loss of deposit. But in this case, we are using Litecoin, so we're going to click on OK. Okay, so here now, you can see this is the wallet address that we're going to be copying. Read this, please. It says send only LTC, which is Litecoin, to this deposit address. This address does not support deposit of non-fungible token. Okay, meaning that this address does not support NFT token. Okay, this is just basically for Litecoin. So we're going to copy this now. Okay, let's copy it. So after copying it, let's go to our Trust Wallet and paste it in there. Okay, so here on Trust Wallet now, we're going to paste in the wallet address we copied from Binance here. Okay, I'm going to paste it here. And we're going to click. Now, it depends on how much you want to send from Trust Wallet to Binance. You can decide to put the amount you want to put in here. Let's assume the amount I have here is much more than the $5. You can decide to put 0.1, 0.2, whatever, depending on the amount of money you actually have in here. But in my own case, I have just about 5.93 cents. So I'm going to click on max because I want to send everything. Okay, so I'm going to click on max. Okay, so this is all I have on my Trust Wallet, my Litecoin that I have on my Trust Wallet that I want to send to Binance. Okay, so I'm going to come up here. Okay, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on continue. When you click on continue, it's going to show you the full details of everything you are sending. Okay, so you can see one of the good thing about Trust Wallet when it comes to Litecoin is that you can see it's just like almost free. Like they are not even charging anything for transfer fee, okay, for gas fee. So this is the amount I'm going to be receiving, right, in my Binance account. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, it's going to ask me for my password. Then I'm going to put in my password. Okay. Okay, so you can see it's in the process of being sent to my Binance account. So if I click on it, you can see say pending. So don't worry, as soon as I receive it in my Binance account, I'm going to be showing you the deposit in my Binance account. Okay.
A few minutes later.
So guys, as you can see, after a few minutes, I just received the Litecoin in my Binance account. So you can see this is the Litecoin, right? You can see this is the Litecoin. So that's how easy and simple it is for you to transfer your coin from Trust Wallet to Binance. Okay, like I rightly said, we just use Binance in this case study, but you can do the same process to KuCoin, to Bybit, to any other exchange. Okay, so I want to believe you got value from this video. Now, if you got value from this video, please go ahead and like this video. Please give the video a thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe to my channel if you've not done that before now. Okay, I want to say I appreciate you for taking your time to watch the video. Do take care of yourself, and bye bye.